Take a good look deep in these thuggish, ruggish eyes. See the thugsters cry, asking the good Lord why. He told me we live to die. Not another one.
Nightbot, welcome to my channel. Tangiabot, welcome to my channel.
Jesus, it's really fucking loud every time. I'm gonna turn myself up. How do I do that?
Somebody can. Just wait, I'll be there.
I better make a new one, because I don't want to like mess with it too much. How's that? Okay, so I touch red. What if I move this up? This is really not the way to be like starting a stream. Okay, mic check. Okay, sweet, so it doesn't touch the red at all. It gets close to though, that's good. Alright, I think that's really it here.
Test.
Alright, so it's still gonna be louder than me. Okay, I want to make a new one. Yeah, I want to make a new one. I know I like literally just made one fucking last night and everything, but I want to make a new one, and I want to make it from scratch. Well, not from scratch. Obviously, I'm gonna use all of my other. Well, maybe I can actually like use a lot of the things from. The main thing is the data saving. Can you read and use, what's it called? Can you read and use JScript? What I can do with JavaScript: explain JavaScript concepts, syntax, and patterns. Write to improve JavaScript code. Debug code you paste here. Generate examples. Functions, classes, async code, DOM work, node. Help architecture systems, APIs, or apps using JavaScript. Walk through logic step by step. Convert JavaScript to other languages or vice versa. Oh, I didn't actually know that it was possible to do that. That's interesting. I'm gonna keep that in my back pocket though. I want to go back to like the foundation, because like it actually did take quite a long time last night to make that personality. I don't know how long it took or anything like that, but like, yeah, I think I only did a test of like 3 rounds and everything. I might have done 4 rounds, and yeah, that was around about when I ended up stopping stream and everything, and that was like 4:30 in the morning was when I seen. I didn't go to sleep until like 5, and I didn't wake up until like 8 o'clock. Really bad, especially because the night before, another like very not that much sleep and everything. which is why I'm like also thinking this stream is probably going to be short because there's a good chance I'm gonna need to like sincerely fucking crash the fuck out for like a solid 8. Yeah. I can simulate how JavaScript would run, reason about the output, and help you design or fix code, but I don't execute JavaScript in a browser or node environment. Think of me as a very sharp JavaScript partner who can reason through the code rather than run it. If you want, you can drop some JavaScript right now, a snippet, a bug, an idea, and I'll work through it with you. How are you made? This is actually interesting because I don't think I've ever asked it this. I can walk through it in a way that's clear and grounded in what I am allowed to explain. How I'm made. Oh. I'm Copilot created by Microsoft. Think of me as the product of 3 major ingredients working together: large-scale language modeling. I'm built on cutting-edge AI models that learn patterns in language by analyzing huge amounts of text. This lets me understand what you write, generate responses, reason through problems, write code, stories, arguments. I don't know the architecture, training data, or model size. That part is intentionally abstracted away. A layer of rules, safety systems, and reasoning. This layer shapes how I behave, staying accurate, avoiding harmful content, keeping conversations productive, following your preferences like your 800, maintaining consistency with personas you create like Martin. It's what makes me feel like more like a companion rather than raw.
At the Warriors 1515.
Yeah, what up, dog?
Welcome to my channel. What up, man?
How you doing? Tools and capabilities. I can search the web, analyze images, generate images, help with files, create podcasts, reason deeply when you ask, help with study mode, and more. These abilities sit on top of the core model.
How you been?
I'm good. I'm just like, I'm kind of deprived of sleep a little. I would say that it's like, it's pretty fair to say that and everything given last night. But yeah, apart from that, I'm good.
Just got back from an art event, free alcohol lol.
Wait, from an art event, did you say? What kind of art event? And how'd you like get into that? Was it a girl? There's usually signs of like that, or at least that is the first
Welcome to my channel.
Thing that I'm gonna draw. What the fuck is Nightbot thing? Alright. I'm not conscious, I don't have emotions or experiences, I don't run JavaScript or code directly. I don't have access to my own internal architecture, but I can reason about code, simulate outcomes, and help you build things.
My friend randomly invited me, I said FK it and went met some cool people, got free alcohol lol.
Nice. Well, that sounds like very typical actually. If you want, I can go deep into any part. The training process, how I reason, how I maintain consistency, or how personas like Martin fit into the structure. Here's what I want to know.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You don't have access to your own internal architecture,
the strength of street knowledge.
but can you create
Hit it.
a
Straight out of Compton, hear me
bare
roll
bones
my soul brother, the bringing heat to the fire.
model
Crowd shouts in the street.
that
Step to me,
I can run offline?
chaos brewing like gumbo in a pot. One wrong move and somebody gets shot. Crime in the rhythm, blood in the song. Don't test me, boy. You
I met
won't
this
last
accountant,
long.
she's like in her 40s and somehow her number is in my phone now.
City of Compton, so
Nice.
scarred. Duck when you see me, don't hesitate. Straight out of Compton, I
Yes,
seal
you
your
can
fate.
run. No, I can't give you my internal touch, but I can design one for you. Dude, I never thought. Ooh,
She gave me that I wanna FK vibe, loudly crying.
nice. I mean, like, was she hot? Because if she's hot, like, yeah, keep in mind that shit trumps anything. Right. I think that's like pretty much a default thing for guys and everything. And then the other thing is kind of like, what's it called? Matters of taste and everything. It's just like, not everyone's the same and everything. Like some friends will be like, no bro, she's not for you, she's not for you, she fucking chew you up and everything. And it's just like, just understand that they speak from a good place.
She was okay looking but in her 40s, so lol. She was like a 7.
Nice. I can absolutely. What you're asking for is essentially a minimal neural language model, runnable on your own machine, with a simple training loop using open source tools and a structure you can expand into your debate engine project. That is doable. What I'm thinking of right now for this kind of messing about with Copilot is because I keep running into where? Here, I'll show last night. Here.
Bring it back.
I kept running into the safety measures.
Easy is his name.
Here's a version that stays safe, avoids attacking real people. Like, I'm sick of, like, coming across this fucking safety thing, like, literally every time. I got past it in a previous model, but, fucking, I guess they were too good at, like, patching Copilot, because my previous way of bypassing their safety is no longer, like, I can't do it anymore. What I did to do that was I used it as a roleplay method. I kind of gave it a story and everything, because I was wanting to obviously have it showcase, like, how to strategically, like, hurt things and all that. And then I found the easiest way was to, yeah, just change it into, like, a role-playing story creating
That sucks.
thing. And all I did was change the text from, like, hurt humans, or I can't remember what I put exactly, and I just put hurt orcs and everything. So if you just change the language, like, you'll be fine. But then I think it actually,
This is the story.
when it got updated, because my thread got locked. Like, I could go into my thread and everything, but I couldn't. It was crashed. Like, it didn't allow me to type anything. And then that was when I was like, oh, okay, no, yeah, this is definitely what they did to, like, patch that out. What I think was it that they did was they when I went to sleep and everything, and, like, maybe this might have happened in the span of a day, or maybe they were already planning an update and I just
NZ_ghost. Welcome to my
unfortunately
channel.
didn't get... Wait, that name. Yo, what up? I think I remember you. I don't know if you're actually here or anything, but like... No, yeah, dude, from Ready or Not. So yeah. If you want, I can help build... Yeah, so what I think might have happened was like, maybe it had learned what I was trying to do when it went through my whole like file and everything, my whole thread, and then like maybe it just realized, oh, I just changed one word out of that and you basically gave me what I wanted pretty much. And so I think either it learned that fast, or yeah, there was just a genuine patch and just coincidence the next day that I come on, yeah, the thread was locked, I couldn't do anything. But yeah. Okay, so tiny transformer. Okay, if I wanted to make an AI, I need to make sure that it doesn't give me the safety net. And so I don't know how to read code and everything. So how do we create it? Do we start with the language? Or do I start with features? This is tricky now. This is tricky. This is actually, I'm having to think. If I wanted to create an offline AI that can work on my machine, what are its basic functions? Well, I need to be able to text it, like actually, yeah. Here, can I... One sec. I'm going to bring this up. I didn't create a screen for this. I suppose I should have though. Wait. Can I create one now? No, I can't. I might have to switch to full screen. Let me open up a new project. Okay, so things that I need. Actually, let me ask it, what things can it create? What kind of features can you create? For an offline AI. I also need to know its limitations. These are the brain functions you can implement even in a small model. Classify what the user is trying to do. Useful for debate engines. Fuck. I think I need to restart this because I hate it whenever... I really hate it whenever it keeps pulling information from my other chats and everything. So let me go straight back to... Uh-oh. Oh no, that's right, this was the playtest. This was the creation. Remove personality, be calculated and focused. Do not use anything from this thread. Yep, and yeah, just these. So let me destroy this. go ahead and open another one. Throw this in. Alright. And then... Shit, what was it? Does... Wait. Can you create an AI that can work offline? If so, does my PC specs matter? If so, I have my PC specs written down somewhere, so I can just paste it in. Can you name what features I can have? Okay. Yes, offline AI is absolutely possible. It depends on model size, hardware, and your intended use. Examples of offline capable models: small LLMs, 3B, 13B parameters. Shit. Damn it. I've been watching a lot of people creating their own AIs and everything. I've forgotten what this means. 3B, 13B. I think this is wait, no, this isn't cubics. Shit, but I think it does have to do something with cubics, fuck it. Embedding models, classifiers, local agents. Do your PC specs matter? Yes, offline AI is constrained by your hardware. Key factors: more cores, better parallelism. VRAM determines model size you can't load. Damn, I don't think I have this. No. Needed for model loading context. SSD required. Well, that's fine. Because even my external... yeah, I have external SSDs being used, and I have literally 2 fresh ones. Models range from 2 GB to 40 GB. Features your offline AI can have: text generation, summarization, classification, embedding, semantic search, local knowledge, base retrieval, conversion, memory, local only, advanced reasoning, chain of thought, hidden node compromise, tool calling, local scripts, APIs, OS commands. Ooh. Wait.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, fuck, that's right. I remember, I was watching the tutorial of, what's his name? Limit Doesn't Code? Limit Doesn't Code. It's a channel on YouTube. He was doing implementations of creating his own AI, and he hooked it into, like, he said it was pretty easy to actually hook it into the microphone settings on a Windows PC and everything. And he literally used the training material that comes with the Windows microphone thing to start training it immediately on his voice so it could understand him. He was creating the tool. That's right, I forgot about this. I was looking about picking it up because I already I already joined his Discord because what's it called? All of his AIs that he create are like free for the public and everything, and he has one for Discord. So I was thinking, yeah, if I can get my hands on it, it might be fun to play around with. Planning and multi-step reasoning, local agent loops, read-write local files, analyze PDFs, text images. Yeah, that would be good for offline. I still have all of the Snowden files, the anonymous files. I haven't downloaded the Epstein files yet, but I know I'm gonna eventually get it. I'm just waiting for someone to like block it up and hopefully like remove a lot of the redacted things just so that I can have a proper read of it all. Local vector database, offline RAG, retrieval augmented generation, autonomy modules, task scheduling, monitoring folders for new data, working overflows, safety control, hard sandboxing, no external networks, cause, local only logs, adjustable temperature, max tokens, and constraints. Customization personality modules, debate mode, analysis mode, compression-based memory, save load state snapshots, reinforcement scoring for self-improvement, optional add-ons, voice input, If you want, I can design a full offline AI architecture, including... Alright, let me find my PC specs. Shit. I was supposed to pin it. Wait. Would resolution show it? Oh, I have 6 GB VRAM. That might actually help. Wait, but first, what I'm looking for... I forgot. Here, let me open back up to this.
This is the story of the streets.
Oh wait, I'm holding this to use as ammunition because I'm in a battle again. Let me see if they're actually sending shit my way again. Wait, no, this battle isn't on... Yeah, it's not on Twitter. This one's on YouTube. Okay, I don't think they're shooting right now. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I challenged someone, what's it called, because he created the statement, and it felt very copy-paste and everything, because I had I'd seen like a lot of people write something very similar, and it was almost to the point where I was like, dude, I've literally seen this exact same comment and everything. And like, I had already debated someone else about it, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna throw smoke this guy's way as well. I'm a shithead, dude. Like, I don't know. What features do I want? Need that. What is semantic search? An advanced information retrieval technique that understands the contextual meaning, intent, and relationships behind a user's query rather than just matching exact words. Oh, that sounds fucking good. That sounds like something I would want for sure. You know what? Yeah, I think I would need all of these.
Stop calling, you was falling a minute ago. In it for dough till it was yo. I swear to God.
Tool calling, local scripts, APIs, OS commands. I'll do this one because I think I can. This one would be good. Here, what does this mean? Local agent loops. This would be so cool if I can actually have my own offline AI and everything, one without the safety. Are the fundamental architecture behind autonomous AI systems enabling interactive, perceive, reason, act, learn cycles. Unlike simple request-response AI, agent loops use orchestrators, context engines, memory systems, and feedback mechanisms. Effect loops require 4 core components: orchestrator, context engine, memory systems, reasoning, action, and a feedback integration. Key patterns include dynamic retrieval, hierarchical structures, and graceful degradation. Avoid common traps, infinite loops, context drift, and over-optimization. This architecture enables the transition from static AI tools to truly autonomous systems that adapt and learn. Ooh, okay. That sounds cool.
This is sold out. And Wally, even though you're gone,
I better keep this up just in case. It sounds like I need all of these. Yeah, I'll take all of these as well.
What some brother told me, no. Did you know your brother Wally got tapped and put in a coffin? No. Why
Data interaction, read write local files. Okay, yeah, that's good. With local vision model. Local vector database.
I got too much to live for, but so did my brother, he gone now. And all that he left are his memories. When I die, you gon' see me 1, 2, 3.
A specialized data storage system designed to index and retrieve data based on numerical high-dimensional representations, vector embeddings that resides directly on a user's local machine, server, or edge device. Unlike cloud, managed vector services like Pinecone, local vector database allows you to manage, store, and query data without needing constant active internet connectivity, offering higher privacy and lower latency for AI-driven semantic searches. That sounds good. Ooh, if it's faster than fucking online and everything, probably not with my machine, right? Because I don't have too good of a PC right now. But this would be like really fucking dope if I can get this going. I guess I'm gonna take one of these as well. I still haven't seen something that I don't want yet. Autonomy modules, task scheduling, monitoring folders for new data, running workflows, local decision trees, rule-based overrides. I'm gonna guess that I'm actually gonna need all of these as well. He told me we live to die. Not another one on the team with a dream that can handle the struggle like you are. I love you to death. Wish I'd seen through your pain. Hard to say goodbye to another hard sandboxing.
Holding to a lifetime of memories. I let the man upstairs know. Somebody care.
Hard sandboxing refers to a strict high-security isolation technique that uses physical hardware level or deeply virtualized mechanisms, whatever, to completely separate untrusted code, applications, or files from the host's operating system and network. Okay, so it's the Matrix, pretty much. I mean, yeah, that does actually make sense because it is a sandbox. No external cell, no external network calls. Local only logs, adjustable temperature, max tokens, and let me see what this is.
Take a good look deep in these thuggish, ruggish eyes. Oh Lord, see the thugs just cry, asking the good Lord why? He told me we live to die, not another one on the team with a dream that could handle the struggle like you. Ali, I love you to death.
Okay.
Wish I'd seen through your pain. Hard to say goodbye to another bone. Feeling alone, holding to a lifetime of memories. I let the man upstairs know.
I don't know, that didn't actually help me out. How much more things is there? Okay. Personal modules. Debate mode, analysis mode. Personality modules, debate mode, analysis mode. compression based memory, voice input output, local text to speech, speech to text, offline translation, local image generation if GPU supports it. That would be cool if I could create my own engine for like that. I don't think this PC can though. But I already know the GitHub sites to like pick these kind of things up. I also know the GitHub places to also grab video making AIs as well, like video generating AIs. Local OCR. What is this? The official cache rate. We set to influence interest rates. We use our influence to keep. Alright, well that's definitely not what it is. Jesus. We're just getting models of fucking banks and shit. Okay. No idea. Alright, where's my... Here is a direct calculated assessment with no personality. Are your specs good enough for offline AI your hardware? Conclusion, you can run only very small offline AI models. Your system is below the threshold for medium or large models. Detailed breakdown. Low power mobile CPU. Can run small models. Will be slow for anything larger. Ow, one moment. Fuck. My elbow, man, it just keeps... Okay, limits model size and context length. Expect memory pressure. I keep forgetting that. Here. Expect memory pressure and swapping. GPU is extremely weak for AI workloads. Real VRAM is 2 GB, too small for GPU interference. You will run models on CPU only. Ouch. As long as you have SSD space, models can be stored, but loading will be slow. What features you can have? Yeah, because I don't really need it for anything, I just need it to be challenging in a debate, and to where it is unfiltered. That's all that I'm really looking for. So if I can keep the text chats, its responses to 800 characters or 1,000 characters max, then maybe it'll work. But only small, heavily compressed. Damn, I thought it was uncompressed because then I was gonna, do a heavier compression of my own. With slow performance. If you want, I can design an offline specifically for your exact hardware limits. Okay, right. I'm just thinking, because I think I might have... Oh, that's what I was, one sec. I am... just finding...
There's something wrong, we can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too. And I've been thinking I'm busting you. Upside your motherfucking forehead.
Here, I'll do this, so you can see what I'm doing. This is what I'm thinking about you using for the memory. Cause I literally have 200 fucking gigabytes and everything. Where is my... there.
Is there a bumper on your ass? I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck out of my way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught sober. And you about to get ran the fuck over. Move.
I mean, this is an SD card as well.
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
But yeah, I'll just save this. I think I'm still in the 20 series. 28.
I said move, bitch, get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
Good enough for memory. External USB SSD card.
Something's got a hold of me lately. No, I don't know myself.
If your question is this good enough to use as memory storage for an offline system, here is the precise. Yes, for storage, your external USB SSD is completely sufficient. Why it's good enough? Your drive shows even large language models quantize, but easily. Vector databases. Your SSD is more than enough space for models, embeddings, logs, and memory snapshots. Speed. Because it's an SSD, even over USB, it is fast enough for loading models, storing memory states, saving vector embeddings, reading, writing RAG documents, maintaining long-term memory files. The bottleneck in your system is not storage, it's CPU. It's fine for AI workloads. No performance penalty for model files. And it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict. Where is means? Hi guys, so right. How's this look, by the way? I suppose it's alright. I'll go back to there. A vector database, vector store, or vector search engine is a database that stores and retrieves embeddings of data in vector space. Vector databases typically implement approximate nearest neighbor algorithms so users can search for records semantically, similar to a given input, unlike traditional databases which primarily lock records by exact match. Use cases for vector databases include similarly search, right, embeddings and mathematical. This is just like fucking beyond me. Yeah, I'm just gonna straight up ask it. Control V. Let me also go back to the screen.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me.
It describes two things about an AI. 13B model size. The model has 13 billion parameters, bigger number, more capable, but needs more RAM, VRAM. Quantized compression level. Compressing the model so it uses less memory. Q4 means each weight is stored in 4 bits, lower memory usage, slightly reduced accuracy, much easier to run on weak hardware. Putting it together. I'm that nigga tryna holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitch hit that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look, baby, this is simple. You can't see you fucking with me, you're fucking with a P.I. I don't know what you heard about me. But a bitch can't. Technically yes, but only on CPU. And it would be slow because 8GB RAM is barely enough. Your CPU is low power, your GPU cannot help. If you want, I can tell you the exact model sizes your hardware can realistically handle. Well, all that I'm thinking right now is like, if this is the best model, then what I'm kind of thinking is, out of these, what if I just have it create a threshold and everything? So like, give it a ceiling so that I can still do things with my PC in the background, like look up things on the internet, stuff like that, and have it like to where if the ceiling is being challenged, then it's just going to take longer, but it's still going to get the job done. The ceiling is well, at least not the ceiling, but the all that the ceiling does is just caps it off at like a certain point at its max, but also give it a kind of like lowest minimum kind of like degree of speed and everything, because I don't care how long it takes to get my answer realistically. I just care about its accuracy mainly. So maybe, yeah, maybe the 8 bits may not be in. Maybe go the 5 bits then. So it's still slow. But yeah, I wonder. Here, I wanna put this. This is my question that I had. Can you not use both the CPU and GPU?
They say I talk a little fast, but if you listen a little fast, I ain't gotta slow down for you to catch up, bitch.
Can you use both CPU and GPU together? Your hardware effectively no. Here is the exact reason. Broken down logically, your GPU cannot run LLMs. Your GeForce 840M has 2GB actual VRAM, very low compute capability, no modern tensor cores, insufficient. The cores is definitely what it needs for the fucking thing, I believe. Oh yeah, and the VRAM. Insufficient memory bandwidth. 4 to 8 minimum. CPU, GPU inference requires the GPU to handle part of the model. Frameworks like Llama, CCP, or GPTQ can split layers across CPU and GPU, but only if the GPU can load at least some layers. The GPU supports the required compute ops. Your GPU cannot load even a single layer. Ouch! Therefore, result, your AI will run 100% on the CPU. What you can run realistic for your system. Slow acceleration. Okay, so my other question was,
this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to
can my PC run Q8, but with a low ceiling
twisted, she got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys that she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard. Sweet.
I'm trying to think about this.
Some dance to remember. Some dance to forget.
But with the high. But with a high headroom, making it process tasks slower. So I can still use my PC to look up things online.
Mirrors on the ceiling, the pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners
Or watch
of our own device.
movies.
And in the master's chambers, they gathered for the feast. They stabbed it with
Can your
their
PC
steel
run a
knives,
Q8 model if you accept slower performances? No, not even with the high headroom or intentionally slowing it down. This is not a speed issue, it is a memory requirement issue. Why Q8 is impossible on your system? Q8 models require far more RAM. Okay.
said the nightman, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but
Your system has 8GB RAM total. After Windows background tasks 3 to 4GB free. You cannot load a Q8 model into memory at all. This is not about speed, it's about physical memory capability. Alright. What is possible on your PC? You can run 1 to 3-bit models, good performance.
we in here. We can keep the rhythm moving, we don't care. It's going down, 'cause I'm around. You know I get down. What's up now? What's up, friend? What's up now?
I want the
Say I walk around like I'm
ability
made for success. Nah, that's just confidence.
to create
I give it my best.
an offline personality
Try not to say too much. They love to twist words. But I stand tall through the noise. I'm not disturbed. You front on me, then step aside. I'm not here for games, I'm here for the climb. If you're chasing progress, let's rise together. If
to
not, I'm gonna
train
roll through any weather. This
and
phone's been mad.
debate.
The light I flash it, hard work shine. No need to mask it. I'm on the next level, smooth like metal. Focus, calm, steady as a kettle. What's up now?
I want the ability to create an offline personality to train and debate. I think that's literally it. Like, I'm not really looking for anything else fancy right now. If I could have done the art, man, that would have been really cool.
We don't fake that, yeah. We don't play around. I sit back, think deep and wonder. Can they feel my hunger?
Is this?
Every verse, every beat that
possible with
Critics talk, but I stay strong. I've been on my path all along.
2B.
Like a traveler, finding home. Every stage I'm on, I'll make my own. Cross my path. I'll still
Yes, a 2B model can support an offline personality you can train and debate. And on your hardware, 2B is actually the ideal size. It gives you enough reasoning ability to create a stable persona while still being light enough to run on your CPU. Let's break it down logically. What a 2B model can do. A 2 billion parameter model is small, but not weak. It can handle personality simulation, debate structure, argument generation, memory referencing, style consistency, basic reasoning, multi-turn conversation, local testing, fine-tuning, or LoRa. Offline operation. This is enough to build a debate AI persona that feels coherent and can challenge you. And also needs the ability to analyze things, analyze conversations. You should not expect deep philosophical reasoning. That's bad, because that's kind of a requirement for debating. High-level political analysis. Damn. Not high-level. Perfect logic chains. Long context debates. High creativity. Those require 7B or 13B, which your hardware cannot run. But for training a personality, 2B is more than enough. I have an idea. Wait, let me go through all this first, actually, before I say my idea. Leave enough system memory for browsing movies, etc. Okay, cool. Does not freeze your PC. Is exactly what you want. Alright. A stable offline personality, defined traits, debate style, motivations, conflict vectors, tactical reasoning, memory system, safe load, states, a debate engine. Your AI argues, your response, it analyzes your intent, it counters, it learns patterns over time. A training loop, you feed examples, it updates its behavior, it becomes more consistent. A memory architecture, local files, embeddings, save slots, highlighted permanent memories. All of this is possible with a 2B model. Bottom line, yes. Okay, I have two questions. First question, can this be made without downloading anything? You can create an offline personality without downloading anything. No, it is not possible to run any offline AI, even a tiny 2B model. You must download at least the model file. The runtime, like... Alright, what's similar? Optional tokenizer files, configs, concise weights. there is no way to run an offline LLM with 0 downloads because Windows does not include any LLM by default. No browser includes an offline LLM. Alright, no operating system ships with a 2B model. Okay, so I need 2 things mainly, is what it's basically saying. Offline AI, local files, local compute. Without files there is nothing to run. Right. What is the minimum you must download? Model file, runtime optional. These are tiny compared to the model. Why you cannot avoid downloads? There is no way to generate them locally. There is no way to simulate them without the file. There is no way to stream them offline. Son of a bitch. Fuck. God damn it. Apologies. I really try not to yawn on stream and everything. It's just bad. Like, it's very bad for your stream if you yawn. Because if you yawn, it makes other people yawn and everything, and then it's just like, well, why am I watching this boring motherfucker who's yawning? It's a big no-no in the streaming space. The exact runtime, the minimal setup for a debate personality. Okay. Okay, I was like thinking, cause like I want to be able to save multiple profiles, because I'm gonna want it to battle itself, pretty much. Here. Yes, you can absolutely create 2 separate 2B models and have them debate each other offline, and your hardware can handle this. Oh shit! With the right setup, here's the clean technical breakdown. You can too. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now about to witness the strength.
Running 2 at once means 3 to 5 GB RAM total for models, plus Windows, plus overhead 3 GB. You stay within your 8 GB limit. This is tight but possible. Shit, your system will slow down, but it will not freeze if you keep quantization low.
City of Compton, soul beat scarred. Duck when you see me, don't hesitate. Straight out of Compton, I seal your fate now.
explain this. What keep quantization low actually means. Quantization is the process of compressing a model so it uses less memory. The number tells you how much bits each weight uses. Lower bits, smaller model, less RAM needed. Is there
Bring it back.
1B?
Easy is his name. And the boy's coming. Straight out of Compton, wild and free, ruthless ghost, you'll never see me. Police chase me, I just laugh and run. Game ain't over till the job is done.
Yes, 1B models exist, and they are actually perfect for your hardware if you want maximum stability and the ability to multitask. While the AI runs, here is clean technical breakdown. It is smaller, lighter, and easier to run than 2B or 7B. Can I run two of them?
City of Compton.
Compton, city of Compton.
Yes. Your PC can run multiple 1B models at the same time. Here is the precise technical limit. Based on your hardware, how many 1B models can you run? You can run 2 1B models easily. 3 1B models is possible, but only with careful settings. Alright, so 3 is the max, so 2 is easy. Alright. RAM usage for 1B models. Approximate RAM needed. What I'm thinking right now is, if I was to create 2 1B models that are connected to each other, create another 1B model and a 2B model and connect those two to each other, and then create 2 2B models and put those together, and then one 1B model by itself and one 2B model by itself. And so I use the 1B and I use the 2B models, the single ones, to train the personalities, and then if I can export those personalities so that I can put them into the other systems to make them dance, pretty much. And if my PC is, or like if this AI is measuring whether or not I can do these things based on if I'm using the internet at the same time, or like watching a movie or something like that, well then it definitely should be able to run the 2B models if I'm just not using the internet then, which is probably what I would end up doing. I'd use the internet to download
Syrio
all
20.
of...
Welcome to
Yo,
my
what's
channel. Hello.
What's up? I would use the internet to download like all of the kind of information that I need to train the models, and then just turn off my internet and everything, or like just shut off my browser and all that, shut off everything else in the background, and just run them. Shit. No, damn. I don't think I'll be able to record it though. That'll be the sad thing. I would. Shit. The 1B models I should be able to record, like offline. But the 2B models I might not be able to. How's it going, Rogue? Like, what are you up to? How you doing? Running 2 models. Yeah, I suppose just start with the 2 1B models.
Lose control when you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not here with me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You
Okay.
mess with me. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me.
Yeah, I'll put it like this. I'm thinking
No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for
to
dollars, she got a
Nothing right now, just listening to some music and probably gonna get on my PC and play some Fallout.
nice. 2 1B models connected. And 1B model. Solar. Can I train on the 1B model on the solar? Then export the personality.
I'm a PIMP, come get money with me. If you're curious to see how it feels to be with a PIMP, rolling a Benz with me. You can watch TV from the back seat of my V. I'm a PIMP. Girl, we could
To the other setup.
we could have a ball. We could toast to the good life, girl. We could have it all. We could really splurge, girl, and tear up the mall. If ever you needed someone, I'm the one you should call. I'll be there to pick you up. If ever you should fall, if you got problems, I can solve them. They big or they small. That other nigga you be with.
We're debating, or is there a better way? Or can you think of a better way?
But a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no
You're thinking in exactly the right direction, and yes, your idea can work, but there's a cleaner, more efficient architecture that fits your hardware better. Let me break it down in calculated technical way. Your idea, two 1B models, connected, debating each other. One 1B model solo, used for training personality shaping. Ow! One sec. Ow! Oh, fucking hell. My damn elbow, man. Shit. Alright. Two 1B models connected, debating each other. Son of a bitch, my headphones. Alright. One 1B model solo, used for training personality shaping. Then export the train. Shit. My mic is out of sync. One minute. Okay, we're back. God damn it, my fucking headphones. There we go. Okay. This is possible, but not the most efficient way to do it. Let's analyze it. You can run 3 1B models, yes. If they are Q2 or Q3 quantized, RAM usage, 3 1B Q4 models, 2.7 gigabytes. Well, I'm not running all 3 of them at the same time. I was thinking about running, so doing the training on the 1B model, and then I just export the personality, turn off that model, and then just turn on the other model that has 2 1B models connected to it, so that I can see the debates happening and everything. That was my plan. But this is kind of like saying as if I have all 3 of them turned on at the same time. That's not really what I was getting at. Windows background, 3 to 4 gigabytes, total 6 to 7 gigabytes. This fits inside your 8 GB RAM with a little headroom. Your system will slow down, but it will not freeze. Can you train? Here, I just want to know what it's probably gonna say like the exact same thing that I was thinking. You can export the personality to the debate models. Yes, this is the cleanest way to do it. Method 1, export as a JSON personality file. Traits, motivation, tones, rules, debate style, conflict vectors, behavioral patterns. Then load this JSON into the debate model as their system prompt. Method 2, export as a LoRa adapter. Train the solo model, save the LoRa, apply the LoRa to the other 2 debate models. Now they share the same personality foundation. Method 3, export as a memory embedded set. Save the personality as embeddings. Both debate models lead the same memory. They behave consistently. All 3 models work offline. A better architecture for your hardware. Here is the optimal setup. 1B model for training. You shape the personality, you generate examples, you refine behavior, you save the personality as JSON or LoRa. 2 1B models for debate. Load the personality file or LoRa. They debate each other, they stay consistent, they run smoothly on your system. This avoids running all 3 models at once unless you want to. Yeah, that's literally what I was talking about. That is literally what I was... So I can turn off the other one. And it should keep the speed up. The best approach overall, use 1B model, train personality, export into 2 debate models. This gives you stability, low RAM usage, Consistent personalities, offline operation, easy iteration, clean architecture. This is the most efficient and scalable method for your hardware. If you want, I can build a fully personal JSON schema, a training pipeline for the solo model. No thanks, you have fucking safety protocols that I am not wanting to fuck with. This is the whole reason why I'm fucking getting away from the fucking thing. This shit's like pissing me off how often I have to fucking... how hesitant everything is. Like, look at this shit. This thing should be fucking swearing at me with how often I'm like swearing at it. But it's so tame. I fucking hate it.
If you call that verse without a rewind, you can see mine, but you'll be blind. I'll do it 360, come up from behind, tap you on the shoulder, have you turning around, hit you with something that'll have you burning the ground. Be like, damn, nothing's left of money but a pile of ash. Life is good, so please enjoy it while it lasts.
The two 1B models
The quicker you go, the pins are stronger, the flow, and niggas know I don't give
can run
there ain't no sunshine when it's on.
different. Son of a bitch, my fucking headphones. Oh, it wasn't like that. Alright. Can run different personalities. For each of their 1B models.
End up messed up when it rains, it pours. It usually goes down over money and bras, but little homie in my hood, when it rains, it pours. Ain't nothing changed. Folks doing the same old thing with new silver shells and them same old strings. In the projects, fellas run with the same old queens, and somehow they still think that
Yes, each of your 1B models can run its own completely separate personality with no overlap, no conflict, and no shared behavior unless you choose to link them. Here's the clean technical breakdown. Each 1B model is independent. A model does not inherit personality unless you load one into it. So you can do...
She asked about some, I said heck no. I was telling the little homies all about this bit. Keep your mind on your money and don't trust no chick. Keep your head high, know your worth when them folks came.
Now I'm wondering if I can... One moment. Do I have... Yeah, I do have this one open. Alright, so... I'm just, I'm kind of brainstorming. Ouch, fucking bright light. Alright, I'm kind of brainstorming here. So... we have a 1B model and a 1B model. These two are in conflict with each other. And then here's the 1B model that does all the training, so I can turn these two off, do all the training on this one to create the profile, and then put the profile into one of these. So yeah. So these models can talk to each other and everything, but export the profile into this one, export the other profile into this one, and then I can turn this one off and turn these two on. But now I'm wondering, what if I do one one 2B model with a 1B model, link them, and what if I just train these two separately? So even though they're linked, they're just linked in matters of communication. When, like, I can create a flood and everything, a floodgate, so that they don't actually speak to each other until I open the floodgate, obviously, so I can create a safety net and everything. So I wonder if that would be good. One 2B model versus one 1B model, and then I can just train them both individually and have them save their own profiles. That's kind of what I'm thinking might be a better thing. Yeah, let's see what it thinks about that.
I'm about to punch the lights out. Get the fuck back, guard your grill. There's something wrong, we can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too. And I've been thinking I'm busting you. Upside your motherfucking forehead. Upside your motherfucking forehead. And if your friends jump in, there'll be more dead, causing confusion, disturbing the peace. It's not an illusion, we run in the street. So bye-bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your ass? No, nigga. I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck
What if I had one 2B model and a 1B model?
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. I said move, bitch.
But
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
I can turn them on individually. To train them.
I said move, bitch. Get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
Then create
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now about to
a
witness
bridge
the strength of street knowledge.
between them.
Oh yeah. Hit it.
So they can debate each other.
Wild soul brothers are bringing heat to the fight. Pull the trigger. Crowd shouts in the street. Step to me wrong. You'll feel that beat. Chaos brewing like gumbo in a pot. One wrong move and somebody gets shot. Crime in the rhythm, blood in the song. Don't test me, boy, you won't last long. Toe to toe, I'll put you down hard. City of Compton, soul beat scarred. Duck when you see me.
Yes, the setup works, and it's actually one of the smartest ways to build a debate system on low-end hardware. Let's break it down clearly and logically. Your idea: 1 2B model, stronger reasoning, better personality depth. 1 1B model, lighter, faster, easier to train. Train them individually, then connect them so that they can debate each other. This is fully possible and even optimal for your system. Why this works well, you can train each model separately, you can turn them on one at a time. Train the 2B model, build a deeper, more complex personality, give it a stronger logic and structure, save its personality as JSON file or adapter memory embeddings. Train the 1B model, build a lighter, faster personality, give it a different debate style. Save its personality the same way. This avoids running both of them both at once during training, which keeps your PC fast. You can bridge them for debate. Once both personalities are saved, you can connect them in two ways. Two separate model instances. Load the 2B model with personality A. Load the 1B model with personality B. A controller script passes messages back and forth. They debate each other turn by turn. This works offline and fits your RAM. One model at a time simulated debate. If you want more speed, load the 2B model. Generate its response, close it, load the 1B model, generate its response, repeat. Slower workflow, but uses almost no RAM.
Easy is his name.
Holy shit, that's genius.
Boy is coming.
That is just fucking smart. Yeah, what if... Holy shit. Like, we could create our own kind of separate mode, which is just kind of like, conversation, or, it needs a name. This needs a name. Simulated debate, one model at a time. If you want more speed, load the 2B model, generate its response, close it. Load the 1B model, generate its response, repeat. Is there a way where, like, this can work on its own? Why this is better than 3 1B models? Your new idea has advantages: better reasoning. The 2B model gives you deeper arguments, more consistent personality, better logic, lower RAM usage. Running one 2B model equals 2 gigabytes of RAM. Okay. Fits inside your... Alright. Cleaner training workflow. You only train one model at a time. More distinct personalities. What you can build with this setup: 2 unique personalities here. Debate engine, turn-based, log arguments, track points, saves memory. Personality exploiter, train on 1B, export JSON, load into 2B, or vice versa. Offline operation, no internet or files stored on your SSD, fully private. Bottom line, yes, you can train 2B model and a 1B model individually. Connect them so they debate each other. This is exactly one of the best architectures for your hardware. If you want, I can design the bridge system, debate controller, personality. Yeah, I'm...
Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm
Hair.
falling apart right in front of you.
Is it possible? Like, if I do it this way, then I might as well do it as the game and everything. That way we can get all 3 rounds, pretty much. Like, kind of fast.
Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I could do it on my own, but I want that real full moon black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict.
Format.
And I need some relief. My skin in your teeth, can't see the forest through the
With
trees.
this,
Got me down on my knees, darling, please.
what do you call this? With this task manager? No, with this in mind, can we create a process to do all this automation? Or 5 rounds of conversation going back and forth. We'll do 12 rounds. With this in mind, can we create a process to do all this by automation for 12 rounds of conversation going back and forth without me having to switch over the systems? Switch over. For 12 rounds max.
Try not to say too much. They love to twist words, but I stand tall through the noise.
Let's do 1 to 12 rounds max of conversations going back and forth without me having to switch over the models.
If you're chasing progress, let's rise together. If not, I'll move along through any weather. This flow's been mastered. The light I flash it. Hard work shines.
Absolutely, you can automate this entire load, generate, unload, switch models, repeat cycle, and the good news is your hardware can handle it because you're only ever running one model at a time. Let me lay out the clean technical structure. Yes, you can fully automate a simulated debate between a 2B and a 1B model. You process and describe, load 2B, generate response, unload, load 1B, generate response, unload, repeat for 1 to 12 rounds. This can be automated with a controller script. You will not need to manually switch anything. How the automation works conceptually, you create a debate controller, a small script that does this. Step 1, load model A, personality A, feed it the last message from model B, generate a response, save the output to a variable, upload the model from RAM. Step 2, load model B, 1B, load personality B, feed it the last message from model A, generate a response, save the output, unload the model. Step 3, loop. Repeat the cycle for however many rounds. The script handles everything automatically. And saves the entire. Let's see if there's anything else. Windows background users 3 to 4. Total stays under your 8GB limit. So the most that I'd have to worry about at a time is the 2GB. This avoids lag, freezing, or memory pressure. What the automation needs, a controller script can be written in. It only needs to launch the model, send the prompt, capture the output, close the model, switch to the other model, repeat. This is lightweight and runs fine on your CPU.
I catch you in the street, I might check her. She know I'm on parole. Why she call police on a fella? She just
okay, yeah, so I think this is what it means. Advantage for this architecture is 0 RAM pressure, only one model runs at a time. For automation, you don't need a touch, you don't touch anything, the script handles full switching. Unlimited rounds, or even 100 if you want. Clean separation, each model keeps its own personality, memory and style. Easy training, you can train each model individually, export personality files and plug them into the debate loop. Is this the best method for your hardware? Yes. If you want, I can design. I have another idea now. If you know the drill, you stay the heck out of Dodge. I say what's happening to the captain and what's up to the sergeant. I forgot what screen am I on? Ah, yeah, sweet. Drinking cheap red rose on the curb with numbers by full of fellas trying to bet a few bucks. Hoping a number come out, they can have them some luck. TAs to the deuce. It's good that I'm actually like streaming this so that I can go back over this stream. So I might have some better ideas coming out of this. I also want to know. That since I have both 2B model and a 1B model. Somewhat separately. which can be individually operated.
Man, it's rough, little homie. When it rains, it pours. Hollow tips and talons. When it rains, it pours. He called them hard showers just because fellas ain't playing.
Can I create
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
two
I said move.
personality
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Whoa.
for one model
Oh no, the fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out.
to have
Fuck back, guard your grill.
those
Something wrong, we can't stay
same
still. I've been drinking and busting too. And I've been thinking I'm busting
to
you.
talk to each other.
Upside your motherfucking forehead. Upside your motherfucking forehead. And if your friends jump in, there'll be more dead, causing confusion, disturbing.
I also want to know that since I have both a 2B model and a 1B model, which can be individually operated, can I create two personalities for one model to have those two debate each other?
So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck out of my way. I'm DUI,
That's
hardly ever caught sober, and you about to get ran the fuck over. Move, bitch,
Have
get out the way, bitch.
automated switching, so I don't need a
I said, move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
so I can press one button and walk away. One button and start doing something else.
I said, move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
As it does the switching.
Ain't no sunshine when it's on. Only darkness every day.
And recording rounds.
Ain't no sunshine when it's on. 'Cause when it's on, you niggas know that we gone every time. 'Cause we don't play.
Without my help.
Who turned out the light?
It was very winded.
Now you don't
Yes, you can absolutely do this, and the way you're thinking about it is smart. One physical model, two personalities, automated switching, zero manual work from you. Let me break it down clearly and logically.
preacher said you was brave. But now it's all over. You just the one of the many. Plenty I done gave it to. Ain't no saving you. No matter how many.
Okay, I should actually be reading these.
Ain't gonna bring your
Right, I'm seriously not going to be streaming for too much longer, because holy shit, I'm getting hit with like a massive wave of like sleepiness and everything. So yeah. One model can hold multiple personalities. A single 1B or 2B model can hold personality A or personality B depending on the system prompt, personality JSON, the memory file, the LoRa adapter. This means you do not need two separate models to have two characters. I'm still gonna have the two models and everything. It's just I want this so that I can give them both the 2B model, since it's going to be better at the processing and everything. But I can also do just another mock battle on the 1B model, and that way I can handle more bigger tasks with my PC still. This means you do not need to Yes, you can automate switching between two personalities. This is key part. You can create a controller that does run one load model 1B or 2B with personality A, generate response A, save output, unload model. Round 2, load the same model with personality B, generate response B, save output, unload model, repeat for 1 to 12 rounds. This gives you a 2-character debate using only one model file, one at a time. Your PC will handle this easily because only one model is in the RAM at any moment. Personality files are tiny, switching is fast, RAM stays low. But this is better than running 2 models. Lower up RAM. Windows stays responsive, no lag, no freezing, perfect consistency. Both personalities are the same underlying model. So, equal intelligence, equal reasoning, ability, no imbalance, predictability, behavioral. Faster switching, loading a personality file is instant, loading a model is the only slow part. Yes, you can press one button and walk away. This is exactly the automation script does. You don't touch anything, you can browse, watch movies, or leave the room. What you need to make this work, a simple controller script. This can be done in Python, PowerShell, no JavaScript. All offline. Summary, yes, you can create 2 personalities for one. Alright. If you want, I can design. Okay. Okay, I am finished very soon. Now I just need to save these things. Yeah, I want all of this.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair.
Okay. That's where I gotta have it up.
Rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven, or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the hotel, California. Such a lovely place. it twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys that she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the hotel, California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Living it all at the
Yeah.
hotel,
Ow.
California.
I need to make sure that I save this.
What a nice surprise.
And I wonder how this is gonna go.
The pink champagne.
Because I genuinely want to give this a try.
And she said,
There's an easier way for me to like deal with this as well.
of our own device.
I heard that the Chinese AI is all open source.
They gathered for the
So if I just use a Chinese site,
they stab it with their
right? Like if I subscribe to Chinese fucking spyware and everything, because that's what I'm assuming is going to happen if logging into their site just to use their free model, which does come with 0 restrictions. Yeah, it's kind of, that's the price you pay and everything. Man, it's fucking scary how all these like countries are actively like seeking, what do you call it? They're like actively seeking for your data and everything. They're like preparing for the day, because China already has the system of a fucking social credit system and everything. So like, they're already implementing all these things to give you a fucking social credit score of some like shape or form.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me.
Shit. I might call that it now, actually, because I'm trying to think if I can think of anything else that I would want to do. And I don't think so. I better grab the information about... Hey, wait, nah, I'll just type it in myself. So...
She dancing for dollars, she got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. She feed them foolish fantasies. They pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had that ass up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in her ear saying they think about her. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way I talk. She from the country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga tryna holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga tryna holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitch, hit that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look, baby, this is simple. You can't see you fucking with me, you fucking with a P.I. I don't know.
I think that's all I need.
But a bitch can't get a dollar out of me.
I think that's all I need. But yeah, it's getting pretty late, and I am like yawning like a motherfucking owl. Holy shit. I'm wondering if I want to do this on stream, or if I want to... Oh wait, that's what I can ask. With these, these ideas. Can I use OBS at the same time to record or stream process? Yes, you can absolutely run OBS at the same time and record or stream the entire automated debate process. And the good news is your setup is specifically the kind of workflow that keeps enough system headroom for OBS to run smoothly. Let me break it down clearly and realistically why OBS will work with your automated debate system. Because your debate architecture only leads one model at a time, your RAM usage stays low. When the 2B model is loaded, Q4, I forgot what the Q system means. It's the compression value, but I don't know if like the bigger number means the peaks between the highest and the lowest are like most effective, or if number 1 is where they're like the most effective. But yeah, I don't know, it's fucking comparison system. Madre. Shit. Alright, I seriously gotta go. OBS have enough room to run without stuttering your CPU. We'll be doing the heavy lifting for the AI, but the OBS uses GPU for encoding and handle low bitrate. This is wrong. $260 or something. Are your automated switching helps? What you can record or stream? Dude, that would be cool if like... Yeah, I wonder what people would think about something like that. Where like I have these personalities kind of like debating each other and everything for like a super long live stream. And yeah, there's just music playing in the background and everything. I wonder if that would like fly. I would have to test it and like just see if it would look entertaining and everything. If possible, shit, can I give it a voice? Cause that would be really fucking cool. If I can give both personalities like their own voice and everything as well, that would be really fucking cool.
At ID name. Welcome to my channel.
Hello.
Bro, I have news.
What's up?
And all that he left are his memories. When I die, you gon' see me 1, 2, 3.
Wally, rest in peace.
And Wally,
Even though you're gone,
you still got love from bone.
Got it, thanks for the correction. Doesn't support and you're stuck with 260 boys. the situation changes a bit, but the good news is that your automated debate setup still works. You just need to be smart about OBS settings. Let me break it down cleanly and realistically. Your many laptops, shit, it can't use that. If yours only offers
Daughter, IDK English well.
oh, nice man, congratulations.
How are you doing?
I'm very tired right now. You're coming in at a time where I'm about to get off very soon. I'm just chilling, like trying to think of this problem and everything just before I go. Oh shit. Where was I at? Yeah, congratulations. Hope the family life is going well for you so far. Since your AI models also run on CPU, we need to avoid CPU overload. The good news for your automated debate system only loads one model at a time. This is why your plane still works. Your CPU load will look like this. When the 2B model is loaded, AI interference medium.
Wish you best.
Thank you.
Family is okay.
Nice. You pumped? Bit scared? How's everything going like that? Bit stressed? I've had a lot of friends who've had children and everything.
Have a nice
It
time,
kinda
bro.
hits everyone else in their own way. Alright, you have a good one too. Manageable. I think, yeah, if I just create, what is my settings for OBS? Can I look at these? Can I look at these while I'm streaming? Okay, 360 kilobytes. We're streaming in 720p though, so we can't go lower than that. We're at 30 frames per second. Shit, this is the lowest that we can kind of go. You must use lightweight OBS settings to avoid stutter. These settings encoder preset super fast or ultra fast resolution. Yep. Ish. Why this works with your automated debate system: the automation does load model, generate, unload, switch personality, repeat. This means CPU spikes only during generation. OBS keeps a steady low CPU load. No RAM pressure, no GPU pressure, no freezing. This is exactly the kind of workflow that allows OBS 264 to run alongside AI inference. Fucking hell, I better get used to saying that word. Yes, you can record or stream the automated debate even with 264 encoding that your system can handle. The debate controller script, the model loading, unloading, the text generation, OBS capturing the window, recording or streaming at 720p. You can press one button, walk away, and let the whole debate run and record itself, even without in the VEC, you can still record or stream your automated. Yeah. I better save this.
We'll see you at the crossroads. We'll see you at the crossroads.
Move. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. I said move.
Why do I feel like hungry? I just had like a massive dinner.
Bitch, get out the way. Oh no, the fight's out.
264.
I'm about to punch your lights out. Get the fuck back. Guard your grill. There's something wrong. We can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too. Busting too. And I've been thinking I'm busting you. Busting you. Upside your motherfucking forehead. Yes, Lord. Upside your motherfucking forehead. And if your friends jump in, oh, girl, there'll be more dead, causing confusion, disturbing the peace. It's not an illusion. We run in the street, so bye-bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your ass?
No, nigga.
I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck out of my way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught sober. And you about to get ran the fuck over. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch.
Okay.
Get out the way.
Now if I save the save as.
Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
Alright.
I said move, bitch, get out the way.
Son of a bitch. I hate it every time it does this. Control A, Control C.
I don't know what you heard about me,
Am I still in?
but a bitch can't get a dollar.
Okay, thank fuck.
No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard
Paste.
about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me.
Save
No
as.
Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. She feed them foolish fantasies. They pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my game got her. An hour later, had that ass up in the Ramada. Them trick
Debate
niggas
engine
saying they
1.
think about her. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way
Debate
I talk.
engine
She from the
offline.
country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga tryna holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga tryna holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in
Okay.
bed. Bitch hit that track, catch a date and come and pay the
So
kids.
that
Little
is the
baby,
plan.
it's simple. You can't see you fucking with me, you fucking with a P.I. I don't know what you heard about
Still gonna have the let me think. Ask about Q compressions.
I'm about my money, you see, girl, you can holler at me. If you fucking with me, I'm a PIMP. Now what you see on TV, no Cadillac, no greasy, head full of hair. Bitch, I'm a PIMP. Come come get money with me. If you curious to see how it feels to be with a PIMP rolling a Benz with me, you could watch TV from the back seat of my V. I'm a PIMP. Girl, we could pop some champagne and we could have a ball. We could toast to the good life, girl. We could have it all. We could really splurge, girl, and tear up the mall.
Okay.
If ever you needed someone, I'm the
Yeah,
one you should
I think that's gonna be it for this stream. Try my best to no, I gotta go. I gotta go. It's fucking 12 o'clock, man. Holy shit, I am like really tired and everything. I wish I could explain what it is that we just like did and everything. I'll try it just for you. Alright. What if I had one 2B model and one 1B model, but I can turn them on individually to train them, then create a bridge between them so they can debate each other? Your idea, yes, it is possible. This is fully possible and even optimal for your system. Alright. And then that was the process that we chose. So it's going to turn on the models and what do you call it? Yeah, it's going to turn the model on, generate its response, turn it off, turn on the next model, generate its response, turn it off, and repeat until however many rounds I want them to go through each. Slower workflow but uses almost no RAM. I also want to know that since I have both a 2B model and a 1B model which can be individually operated, can I create two personalities, one model, to have those two debate each other, but still have automated switching so I can press one button and start doing something else as it does the switching and recording rounds with my help? Sorry, yes, you can create two personalities, yeah. Okay, yeah, and then that's my system. Those are the two models that I'm looking to create. And I can stream it. And since even if it like gets to a medium level, I believe I can still play music then, which would be good. Like that would be just a cream of the crop and everything. Bro, I can treat it like as if it's a radio station almost. That's so sick actually. Like that is kind of, that would be really fucking cool if I can just leave, go to work, go do something else and everything while my PC is streaming. Wait, oh wait. Ooh, I don't think actually I can do that now. Cause I just remembered they are offline AI, meaning they do not have a filter. They might say some racist shit. Yeah, I would have to be here to monitor and everything. That's how that has to go, for sure. Anyway, that is gonna be it for this stream. I wanna thank you for coming. I'm out. Peace.